Hi guys, today we will learn what is a constraint, and we can define a constant as they are used to specify rules for data in a table. So the previous video we did see how to create one of the constants, which was to increment, and in this video we will see the remaining constraints. We did with 4, and the next video I will show you the main constant, which is primary key and foreign key. So for this one we start with not null and unique. ID data type, which is integer, then we declare it as auto increment. We want the value to be incrementing automatically. Auto increment, then we declare it as not null. And for more understanding, not null help us to ensure that a colon cannot have a null value. Okay, then we have now the first name, varchar, data type, size we give it 100, semicolon, last name we give it last name like that, data type varchar, size we give it 100, and then we add the constraint must be added after the size. We write it not null. We don't want our name to be empty. It should provide an error in case a user want to leave this field empty. And then after that we write again not null, and we have now comma, and then we have phone number, which is int, and this one we declare it as unique. Okay guys, unique help us to ensure that all values in a column are different. So just ensure, imagine in a scenario where a user is entering the phone number, and a database should not accept that one phone number to be used by 2 people. That is the most related scenario where we can use the phone number as unique in database. Okay, and just for learning purpose, as I said, we will see this one to the next video, the primary key, but let's just add it there, but we'll understand it more to the next video. Okay, so create table, which is student id integer auto increment, first name varchar not null, we don't want it to be null, last name varchar not null, we don't want it to be null, phone name unique, we want it to be unique, and we want as our id to be a primary key. Okay guys, so let us run. Oh, seems like we have an error, yeah, I see. Sorry, here we need to write primary key like this, primary key, and then we put between bracket id. Okay, I'm sorry, that was the error. Okay, so let us describe the table student. Okay, let us describe the table student, and we see, as you can see guys, id integer, type primary key, extra auto increment, first name not null, last name not null, and phone key, the key you can see it's unique. Okay, so let us just try to insert into here. We need to specify f name, comma, last name, comma, then phone number. Make sure whenever you declare a colon as a not to increment, you need to specify like this. You can't insert more value at once. Then here we have a first name, we give it junior, comma, last name Ludima, comma, and phone number we can give just any phone number here, just let me type any, then semicolon. Oh, we have an error, where is the error? First name, last name, phone number. Yeah, where is the error? Insert into. Okay, I forgot to write the student, and then select select all from student. Okay guys, as you can see, the ID was incremented automatically, the first name, last name, and phone number. So in case I want to insert the same data with the same phone number, let me take for example, I change June to GR and Ludima to Peter, but with the same phone number, it should give us an error because we declared as unique. Okay, it should give us an error. Okay guys, as you can say, error, duplicated entry. Okay. And as you can see, when we want to display data, the data was not inserted. Why? Because the duplicated entry for the key phone number. That is the importance of to use a unique on a columns. Make sure whenever you want your data to be unique, whatever you want to assure that all value in a column are different, use these ones. Okay. And the not null allow you your column to don't be null. So the next one we will use will be default and check, which are the other two constraints. So let us create another table here. Just create another table. We will call it customers. Then we create a table. We give it ID, auto increment. By the way guys, whenever you declare a column as a primary key, just know the primary key is a combination of not null and unique. A primary key, it's always unique and it always not null. So we no need to specify again ID as a not null value. The not null value should be the value that you don't want it to be empty, like the first name, second name, sex, age. Okay, so here we can just give name. We give it as a data type varchar. Okay, and then we give it 100, comma, then we give age as int, then comma, then we check. This is the constraint that we are using in this SQL statement. Check age must be greater or equal to 18. Okay, guys, let me explain this command. We create a table customers which has ID as auto increment, name as varchar. I'm sorry, let me add the not null here. Okay, and we have age as integer. Let me add not null here. It should not be null. Okay, and then we check age must be greater than 18. So whenever the data will be inserted on age, it must be greater than 18. Then it does declare primary key here. Primary key, we give it, then we write ID. Okay, that is okay. Have an error. There's an error somewhere. ID auto increment, name varchar not null. Check. Okay. Oh, guys, we didn't specify the data type for ID here. I'm sorry. Int. Okay, just like that. Okay, and then we can describe it. Customers. Customer. Okay, guys, semicolon, alley. As you can see, the age is there. So let us insert now data. Insert into customers. Specifier here we have name and we have age. Okay, guys. Then values now. Here we have the name. We can say Messi. And for example, now to test that the constraint is working, the age, let us give us 17. And normally, according to what we wrote, like check the age must be greater than 18. This data is not supposed to be entered and it should give us an error. As you can see, guys, it gives us an error. No, I'm sorry, there's comma here. Okay, not that kind of error. Okay, guys, whenever you're trying to insert data which is less than 18, it say constraint. Okay, failed for shop. But in case now we change this data, okay, we give it, for example, 19, and when you click enter, as you can see, the data has been inserted. Okay guys, from customers, as you can see, the data, it has been inserted. So guys, that's the way we can use that one. And the last one that we're gonna use, create table, is the default. The default is just to provide information about a specific column. Here, create table default, we can give it id, int, you can see right here primary key, even like that, and the name varchar size 100, and then we to comma age int. Okay, so for here now we can say like city. Okay, we declare it as varchar, we give the size, then we put 100, then we write default. It's another constraint. Default is set a default value for a colon if not value is specified. That is the meaning of that. And then we put it here. Then we say provide value. Okay, then semicolon. Okay guys, we want to describe. You will see describe, we create the persons. Okay guys, let us see. Okay, as you can see, the default here city, default provide value. That is the role, or this is the rule of the default within a table. So whenever you want to specify, we want to put a specific message on a specific, you just create like that, and then it will provide an information here. You see the other ones, they are null, but the one for default, as you can see, it provide value. That's what we have been defining it as a default. So thanks guys for watching. Subscribe and like for more videos. See you to the next video with primary key and foreign key. Thanks.